Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Influnster unboxing, you guys. Influnster, thank you for these wonderful goodies that I'm getting for testing purposes, and it's just perfect timing for the holidays. I'm getting great wonderful stuff. This box right here, Ilia, I'm assuming. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correct. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not going to get butt hurt over it. So, I've already jumped into this box because I couldn't wait to see what was in here. And because I've never heard of this brand. So, Ilia, I have no idea if I'm pronouncing that correct. But this is what the beauty products look like. So, without other ado, let's dive into this little box. And I do think that this is like lipstick and blush and stuff to that nature. So we will definitely be doing a try it on with me. So let's see what we got. And as always, you guys, if you want a free box yourself, I will always have Influnster linked down in my description box. All you have to do is go on there, create yourself an account, link all your social medias to it to get yourself points. As I always say, these are 100% free boxes, and thank you very much, Dehumidifier, for destroying my little promotion that I was doing. 100% free. All you have to do is get on there and review things that you have already tried, products that you may have picked up and you didn't like. Jump on Influnster, shout out to Influnster, write down a little review, and boom, it gives you points for free boxes, you guys. And then all you have to do is go on your social media platforms, write down your reviews, thoughts, hashtags, reviews, post little photos, fun photos, and you're good to go. All you gotta do is complete your campaign and you can be eligible for another box. So as always, every time you get a Influnster vlog box, they always give you a little card just to kind of tell you what exactly you're getting and what the product is, which I love because sometimes I don't really know exactly what I'm getting, or it may be a product I've never tried before. So it looks like we're getting a lip wrap hydrating mask, which, you guys, as soon as I saw this vlog box, I was like, this is definitely going to come in hand for me. I suffer with dry lips so bad, it's unreal. So as soon as I saw that this right here was a lip hydrating mask, I was like, I so need that, because right now in Tennessee it is cooler and my lips seem to dry out very bad in the winter. And then we're getting a gloss tinted lip oil. So this one I might not try out because I already have lipstick on my lips, but I'll definitely swatch it for you guys. And then we're getting a multi-stick, which is it's a multi-use stick. You can use it for your cheeks and lips that give a healthy, dewy flush of hydrating color. So if you're just somebody who doesn't like a bold lip, or you just want to look like you're alive and not dead, this would probably be really good. So we'll definitely try these out. So the first thing we're getting is this right here, is the multi-stick. So, and it says At Last, I'm assuming is the color. All right, I kind of like the packaging of this. Kind of reminds me of NARS, but in white, which is really pretty. All right, ooh, I like this. Hopefully you guys can see this. This is really pretty packaging. And I'll give you guys a little bit more of a better up view look of this. Alright, the next thing that I'm opening is the Lip Wrap Hydrating Mask, which I'm super excited for. I'm really looking forward to this. Anything to make my lips feel whoa. The packaging wasn't even sealed. Hopefully it's okay. Alright, so this is what this looks like. And like I said, you guys, I will give you an up close view of this. And then the last thing in this box is the Balmy Gloss Tinted Lip Oil. So super pretty, and I really like the color. So what is the color? Linger. And here is what that looks like. Really pretty packaging. I really like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and like I said, I will have up close views of the product so you guys can see it a little bit more better. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little Ilia unboxing with me, and stay tuned towards the end of this video so we can try some of these products and swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up, and as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. And don't let nobody tell you otherwise. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year, depending on when this video goes up. See you guys. This is the Ilia. And this color Linger. So let's see what this gorgeous color looks like. Ooh. Okay, it's definitely lip glossy. It's not like a matte lipstick. Really pretty. So if you just want a little bit of shine with a little bit of color, it's definitely lit. I'll come back to this in a minute to see if it kind of dries down. Alright, and then here is the multi-use stick that you can use for like blush or lip color as well. Okay, I like that as well. Like I said, if you just want to look a little bit alive, just boom. And then you can put some on. Let's see what it looks like. I don't really wear a lot of blush for the simple fact because my cheeks are naturally yeah, see, like I'm not putting that much on because my cheeks are already red. But as you guys can tell, if you're just somebody who wants to throw on a little bit of like blush just to give yourself a little bit of boom, hello, I'm alive. This is like really pretty color. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review video. See you guys.